Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable call privacy on Telegram. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram. After that, go to settings. Scroll down until you find privacy and security. Scroll down again until you find calls. And here you will find all the privacy settings related to calls. So first of all, you can choose who can call you. If you want anyone, like with your phone number or with your Telegram username can call you, or only your contacts, or nobody. And if you choose nobody, that means that nobody can call you on Telegram. Telegram will not receive any phone call from anyone to your account. So I will set it to everybody. For the exceptions, if you want it like nobody, but except some users, like you can add them. And here the most important option is like peer-to-peer. Like this peer-to-peer option is very important to hide your IP address, because someone from your IP address can know directly your location. So if you put it on always, that means that everyone will call you. The call will be directly between you and him. And this option can let the other person know your IP address. And if he knows your IP address, he can sometimes, if he have the knowledge, he can know where are you located. If you put it just like my contacts, so only the calls between you and your contacts will be peer-to-peer. And if someone outside from your contacts is calling you, the call will be like without the use of peer-to-peer option, or the peer-to-peer option will be deactivated on that call. Or you can set it on never. So if you set it on never, or only on my contacts, and someone who is not registered on your contacts will call you, so the call will be directed to the servers of Telegram, and from the servers of Telegram to the other person. So it will be you calling or the other person calling. The call go to the servers of Telegram, and after that to you. And that will help you to hide your identity, maybe if you need some privacy, and also to hide your IP address, so the other person will not know where are you physically located. So those are the most important options for the privacy of your calls on Telegram. And I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.